welcome to Ryker's Amazing World. Today, we will be doing another project, history project. We will create an ancient document. So, we will need paper, a pencil, 4 black tea bags, water we have over there, and this pot for boiling. We don't have tongs. We have matches, and that's all we need. So first we will put a few cups to boil, and then put 4 tea bags, black tea bags, and then let it boil and let it cool and set aside. Then I will write my favorite Old Testament Bible verse here. So let's begin to do it. So now I have written my verse, and I also have boiled the tea bags. So now what I'm going to do is crumple it and then straighten it out and lower it into this pot. So let's do it. We're going to leave it here for several minutes.